Hey, what is up, guys? This is John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing? And in today's video, we're going to be going over the OnePlus nord20 5G, the pricing. I have the leaks for you guys. I have the information for you guys. So stay tuned and watch to the end of the video. Let's go ahead and roll the intro. Alrighty, guys, go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. Comment down below what you think about this video or any other video. And Dingtone is today's sponsor. As usual, get a free number, call, text, anywhere. All you need is a internet connection, and I'll run the commercial at the end of the video, guys. Don't you worry about that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the specs real quick, and then of the OnePlus nord20 5G. We're going to take a look at the specs really fast, and then we're going to go on to the pricing, guys. So don't you worry about it. I ain't going to take up too much of your time. So it's Qualcomm, the processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 695. It's got 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable memory, supports up to 512 gigabytes, 33 watts of super VOOC fast charging, 11 volts at 3 amps. And you got a 4,500 milliamp battery, which I think is amazing. You know, I would have liked to seen it at 5,000, but you know, we'll take what we can get on that. You know, the color looks amazing. Blue Quantum, love it. Love the design of it. To be honest, Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G mobile platform. You got your unlock options is a fingerprint under the display optical, which I don't know. I don't like the under display fingerprint, but I guess that's how it's going nowadays. Face unlock, and then you got the camera, which is a 64 megapixel. You got the macro lens at 2 megapixel, and then you got the monochrome lens as well at 2 megapixel. But yo, this thing is a beauty, guys. So all right, guys, we're gonna go into the pricing here in just a second, but what I want you guys to tell me in the comments down below, no cheating, how much do you think the price is going to be for a port-in deal, for a new line deal, like you're just coming in and you want a new line, you don't have a number that you're porting in, right? So in the comments below, port-in price, regular price, like retail regular price, and then upgrade. So if you're a customer but you're upgrading, all right, so that's the 3. Okay, you ready? All right, go ahead and do that for me. Okay, so now let me switch on over to the next thing that we got going on here, and then I'll show you guys here what the pricing is going to be, guys. I think pricing, obviously you guys know Metro always kills it, man. These dudes are like on top, man. I don't even know like how they do it. All right, but this is going to be the pricing, guys. It's coming out Friday. All right, coming out Friday. So let me put that popped up on the screen now. Give me 1 sec here while I do that. And wham, that's the pricing right there for you guys. OnePlus N20 5G 428. So that's tomorrow. Apparently tomorrow it's going to be either, I heard it was Friday, but I guess tomorrow. I don't know. Can't confirm that part, but this is directly from a Metro Ninja. Thank you. Shout out to you, my homie. So regular price is going to be $289.99 when it does drop. Upgrade price is going to be $209.99. New line. So if you're upgrading, obviously if you already have a phone with Metro by T-Mobile, the upgrade price right there. New line with ID. Okay, so up to the store with an ID is going to be $100. And then if you switch from another company to this phone, $30. And it's an amazing deal. Yes, it is an amazing deal that the Metro Ninja told me right there. So there you have it, guys. That's the video for today. Let me go ahead and roll the Dingtone sponsorship, and we'll do the positive message, and then we'll end the video.
It's 2022 and everyone and their mother is dealing with spam calls and spam text messages. So why not get a second phone number you can give out whenever you're signing up for services or paying a bill, so you don't have to deal with spam calls and spam text messages anymore? The solution is called Dingtone. Get a free real phone number that you can give out so you no longer get these spam calls and spam text messages. Download Dingtone for a real free phone number today, available on iOS and Android.
Alrighty, guys. So if nobody has told you that you're amazing today, they're doing something wrong. You guys are amazing. You guys are wonderful. You guys are so cool. All right. The world is a better place to have you here than without. Don't let anybody tell you different. Peace out, guys. Thank you guys for watching. John from Magic Tech Review, signing out.